From gears and metal, I rise anew. I'm a chapter so small.
I'm the Maine Coon from America, the giant gentle king. With fluffy fur and mighty paws of rope, when your plane won't ever feel the swarm that fling. My fur is long and flowing, my eyes are big, up going twining. My teeth strong with whiskers long and wide, a feet giant beauty with a gentle soul inside.
In forests of New England, my story came to be, a natural-born American with roots in land and sea, a hunter strong and graceful, a partner brave and wise, a symbol of the wilderness beneath the open skies.